As one of the country's most powerful business leaders, Jae Lee's imprisonment in 2017 sent shockwaves through South Korea. The prospect of him returning to prison is equally traumatic. Lee was caught up in the corruption scandal that brought down former President Park Geun-hye and her longtime associate Choi Sun-sil, both now serving long prison terms. Lee was judged to have bribed Choi by providing funds to a foundation run by her, as well as 3 horses for her daughter's equestrian pursuits. But on appeal in 2018, a court ruled that the horses should not be considered as bribes, reducing his sentence so he could walk free from prison.
Again, I feel very sorry to everyone for not showing my best side, and it has been a really precious time for a year reflecting on myself.
The Supreme Court ruling overturns that decision, sending the case back to the lower court, which could reimpose its original prison sentence.
Among the convictions and acquittal of the charges in the original verdicts, the court sends back the case involving bribery to the High Court.
All of this comes at a difficult time for Samsung, caught in the middle of South Korea's deepening trade dispute with its neighbor Japan. Tokyo has imposed restrictions on the export of vital components and raw materials that Samsung needs for its high-tech manufacturing. As it accounts for around 20% of South Korea's exports, that could hurt the country's worsening trade performance. Samsung's lawyers were quick to express their regret for the possible fallout from the case.
I would like to note that the defendants feel very regretful to have caused disappointment and concern to many over this case.
The case will be heard in the next few months, more uncertainty to add to Samsung's troubles. Rob McBride, Al Jazeera, Seoul.